Bila Asad. Vamos ni yo mpira mzenyi. Malimo. Ya ono mpira kwa Musanze ni mustadi ni kwa express no hero. Alikuwa tu network. Abadalo zanti bamuyiseko.
Wage match day 24 against the Mbale Heroes. It's been very good match. The conditions have been harsh a little bit. The pitch has been so soft, but we have managed. I've liked the way my boys have expressed themselves and then exhibiting the character that is required, and we have gotten the maximum points, 3 points. This is a team which has been around and is good. It is at home. You wouldn't say just just going to run, just walk through the park and win them. They have been playing well. However, they have just been fragile in their defense, and they managed to put one goal across there. Like Express, our first objective is building a very good team, and this starts with winning. We want to build a team and also go to the up tier where we belong. And I hope this point has been an addition to what we expected, and we thank our boys for exhibiting very good football.
Mpira gwa leero tuguluzize then lawaka naye hopefully tukyali marathon egamba nti tulina okumalako emipiira mu relegation zone gye tulimu tulwana we out okulaba nga tugobayo emipiira awaka oba awe kubanga tuli mu relegation battle gye tulimu tulina okumala emipiira gyaffe gye tusamba.